Today, I'm going to show you a really easy, simple test that you can do at home without needing to call a plumber to determine if your toilet is running or not. Got some blue food coloring. I'm going to carefully remove the lid and set that aside. And I'm going to take this food coloring, I'm going to put about 6 or 8 drops right into the tank. Now what that's going to do is that's going to create blue water here in the tank. If there's any water that's escaping either through the seal or the flapper into the bowl, sometimes you can have just a little stream of water that's constantly running that you can't even hear or see. And over time, over months and years, if that's happening throughout your house, that's a lot of water usage that you have to pay for. So really easy trick. If there's any of this blue water in this bowl, then we know that we have a leak. If the bowl is clear, then we know that we have a good seal. All right, we've waited 15 minutes. We're gonna check our bowl. We have some food coloring in our bowl. That means we have a leak on our flapper assembly. Remember, if you decide to work on your toilet yourself, before you start working on it, you want to remember to shut the water off at the supply angle stop before you start working on it, and then turning that back on when you're complete. Take your flapper to the hardware store. Make sure you take it with you because there's about 20 or 30 different styles and brands. You want to make sure you get one that is the same, that's going to be compatible with your assembly. Come back, reinstall it. It'd be a good idea to do your food coloring test again so that you make sure you've solved the problem. If the seal right here is pitted on this actual assembly, you're probably gonna have to call a plumber because you're gonna need to remove this assembly and replace it, and that's a toilet tank rebuild. If you ever get to the point where you're stumped, you're at the end of your skills and abilities, feel free to call Craftsman Plumbing. We'd love to come give you a hand. A whole home safety plumbing inspection is covered under our standard service charge. Craftsman Plumbing, home of the no mansplaining guarantee.